Hello.
Oh.
We have Professor Aydin Yücetürk, specialist in orthopedy and traumatology and in hand surgery, invited in Suceava. He was for the first time in 27 of March this year for launching the international cooperation program for best practices in medical sciences. Hello, Professor. Welcome again in Suceava.
Thank you very much.
First of all, I have to thank you, and I will thank God that we are finding your cooperation with us. In a couple of words, please tell us who you are and how did you arrive to such a performance in the medical world?
I graduated from medical school in 1981 and I became an orthopedic specialist in Hacettepe University in 1985. And after some army duties and health ministry duties, I returned back to university as an assistant professor in 1989 to Hacettepe University again. And in 1991, I became an associate professor, and in 1996, a professor of orthopedics. I generally do pediatric orthopedics, tumor surgery, but besides that, my main subject is hand surgery. I have also hand surgery diploma as a specialist in Turkey, and nearly 3 years ago, I became the president of the Turkish Hand Society for 2 years. I had my hand surgery experience in Houston, United States, in Baylor College of Medicine. And now generally I practice with hand surgery and microsurgery, besides that reconstructive orthopedic surgery, but also I do pediatric cases, and also I believe that you need a microsurgery experience for the tumor surgery also. And also we have a lot of trauma cases for the hand problems, and for the other bone, very difficult cases for the reconstructions. Now I'm continuing my studies in Acibadem University and also in Fulya Acibadem Hospital.
Fulya, which is actually one of the centers in the world, I could say, for the sportive medicine.
Yeah.
And I have to say that you are giving the second chance to people for their normal lives.
Yeah, we are the 25th FIFA Excellence Center all over the world, and we get that accreditation nearly 5 years ago. So we have a lot of patients from all around our region, from different countries, and we are also the sponsor of the many football teams, and 2 football teams from also Romania, and also we are the sponsors of the Romanian women gymnastic team also.
But please tell me, from the human point of view, what was supporting you in life for arriving to such a performance?
Oh, I think I can say that working hard.
Working hard.
As a summary, working hard. And if you are a hand surgeon, you must work 24 hours every day. And in Turkey, our population is nearly 78 million. And every year we have nearly 45,000 only work-related injuries to the hand and the upper extremity. So a lot of patients and a lot of things to do. So
it's a great performance for you and for everybody around you. We know how important it is for the medical world, the communication between doctors, the commission for the diagnostics. We know how important it is to not be alone in the fight against the disease. Tell us from your experience how important it is, because I think that you didn't arrive to such a performance alone. Did you work hard with your colleagues? Did you exchange? You made a lot of universities, you passed through a lot of trainings, you said to us before. So how important it is in the medical world to communicate between doctors for the best solution in the disease?
First of all, for the hand surgery, you must have a good team. But it is difficult to establish a team, especially for the hand surgery. It's not always possible because generally the young people try to do the other things instead of hand surgery, instead of working 24 hours. But the ideal thing is you must become a team for the hand surgery. But I couldn't able to do this in my life, so I'm always working alone. But I have always communications with all of the doctors all around the world. And also, for example, in the last 2 months, I visited nearly 6 countries. We have good collaborations with the other doctors. And we are always, and also I am happy to share my experiences and get also the other doctors' experiences. So I like to travel the other countries, the other towns also in Turkey to do different surgeries.
We are very happy because in this way we had the chance and the honor to have you here. You know that World Med had this initiation of the program in Suceava, of the cooperation program, and I mentioned to you several times what is our intention and goals in the Romanian market. Seeing and visiting the infrastructure of the state hospital here in Suceava, hearing from us what are our plans for the future. Do you think that it's feasible? Do you think that we will arrive to support the patient and to create? You know very well that we have an intention to build up a patient clinic, not a doctor clinic. So you are kindly invited as a friend with us to tell us what is wrong and what is good in the future. That's why please tell us, in comparison with other hospitals and other infrastructures you have seen in the world, do we have a chance in Romania?
Of course, when I visited the hospital in March, it's a very good hospital, designed very well, and you have very good equipment. So I think the difficulty is will be at the beginning, and everything will be fine according to my opinion. So you have good conditions here, and I think you will get very good results after this working hard to get new program, but you will be successful. I'm sure of that. Only you need time, and you need a good team with the other doctors.
A good team with you inside this team.
I am talking the team. I am talking about the doctors who will come from the other countries. I don't see any problem at this moment.
I feel the same way that we are in the good way. We have you here for the second time. So yeah. I am happy that this will continue, and I hope that the results will come. I can tell you that I am proud that we find that a good partner here in Suceava, which is the state hospital from here, but we are continuously working for choosing other partners in our project. So if we are more than one, and we are as a team, I am sure that we will succeed. I would like to say to you that I think that also that you are a good human being, because this is the reason you accepted to come here and to do some surgeries for free, totally for free. And we are very happy that you will have the possibility to to help some persons and some kids also from Suceava. Thank you very much, and have in your way that we are existing in your life and you are existing in ours also.
I want to thank you. It's a great honor to be here for me, and it will be a very good experience for me also. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.